Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of full screen on the application of Threads. You go here to settings in this page. You will click on settings here. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will click on this sign and you will search about Threads. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we'll turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem.